Hi there, year nines. Hope you're all right. Well, I'm in school this week and I've seen some year 10 students, so that's been nice kind of to get back into school, and hopefully, fingers crossed, everybody will be back into school really soon. So, while I was here, I thought I'd do our assembly. I'm actually in Mr. Wood's room, but don't tell him, everybody, all right? I'll try and leave everything in its place. I did say last week I had a load of Hegarty names, and I'm going to give you another week actually, because again, when I opened my spreadsheet, there were a few more, but I'd like even more. So I'm going to give another week on maths before I do maths shout outs. Is that all right, everybody? So if you can all log on to Hegarty, that's your challenge for this week. Log on to Hegarty and really get some tasks completed. So that's a maths one. Okay, right, I'm going to start off with English. And Callum D and Georgia L for completing lots of work and all the work set. Lydia G for some fabulous creative writing. Daniel A for some fabulous work. Luke C, again, lots of lovely work. Emmy W, Hannah T, Amy C, Rainer S, Callum R's trying really hard. Danny B, Oliver W, Tia M, Tristan H, they've sent some lovely work and are trying really hard. Adriana C, Aidan E, Jamie F, and Lewis W for English. So well done, you guys. Keep up the good work. All right. Message from Mrs. Small and Mrs. Stables. They say, could Year 9 art students keep or start sending in their coursework via email? So that's Mrs. Small and Mrs. Stables, so they can review your mechanical forms projects and support the next steps in your learning. So at this stage, they're kind of looking for completed observational drawings and artist research analysis pages. So I hope you've got that, art students. So basically, they really need your mechanical forms projects. That sounds interesting. Okay, because when I did mine at school, I think I had to draw a Coke can, a crushed Coke can was my project. So there you go. I'm sure that's far more interesting than mine was. Anyway, ICT Computer Science. Georgia L, Callum D, Lydia G, Luke C, Oliver W and Harry K. Well done, you guys, for that one. All right, we're on to history now. And Mr. Walker says, Isabel G and Amber H for some top history work. Well done, guys. Mr. Finley says, Lane B and Lucy P working really hard, and he's very impressed with your resilience and determination. So well done, girls, for that one. Creative Eye Media, Mr. Snelling says, Callum D, Georgia L, both producing excellent work and keeping on top of all home learning. So well done, you guys. And your names are mentioned quite a bit, so extra well done to you guys, because you really are completing all your work. From Spanish now, Mrs. Waywell says, can she nominate, please, Harry K for his 11th week of work? Well done, Harry. Bravo, really is an achievement. Danny B, Georgia L, Tia M. Same names, well done, you guys. Miss Hampstead would like to say a shout out to Oliver W, please. He's been giving all his work and she's really proud of him, and he's even sent an email today with his work that made us all laugh, saying it feels like Spain here, miss. Well, it certainly does, Oliver, you're absolutely right. In fact, it could even be potentially hotter than Spain. The trouble is, of course, which is why we suffer when it's hot, is that when we're in Spain, we're generally on holidays and we can jump in a pool, and it's not quite the same sitting in your garden, is it? Unless you've got swimming pool facilities, I don't know, from a paddling pool to a swimming pool, I don't know. Let me know what you've got. Let me know what you've got, a big paddling pool in your garden that you're jumping in and out of. Okay, what we're up to now. Oh, Mr. Whiteman and Miss Talbot, there we go. Mr. Whiteman says to his OCR sports students, the following are completing home learning tasks and acting on feedback. The quality of work's really good. That's Sam B, Frankie B, Callum D, Jamie F, Marissa L and Matthew S. Well done from Mr. Whiteman and myself. Miss Talbot says, can you congratulate the following in sending in work this week? That's Tristan H, Madison G, Daniel A, Thomas M, Amber H, Freya M, Amber D. Well done, you guys, for some lovely work, Miss Talbot says. So I'll start with geography. Callum D, Max M, Gracie M, top Seneca performers in geography, well done. And that's from Miss Park, and also from Mr. Clark, Tia M and Danny B. Well done. Science, Shout out from Mr. Innes and Mrs. Milner about Jamie F. It's great to see students not only completing the science work but also having a go at the experiments. And you can also do that at home. You don't need a science lab at home to do a practical. And at the end, there'll be some photographs of some beautiful, beautiful practical work done by Jamie. So well done, Jamie, for that. And Mr. Robinson says to Freya M for her continued effort every week. Well done, Freya. Okay, so that's about it for shout-outs. I haven't had any pictures from Miss Allen or Miss Wilson this week, so but it is a bit hot to do a bit of baking, maybe year 9. So instead of a baking shop, you're baking, I produced some shark cupcakes yesterday for my son's 11th birthday and a cake. I didn't do the cake, I went to Sainsbury's for that, but I did make the cupcakes. So I'll show you a picture of my bake. Year 9, I'm back. Technical issues as per usual. Even in school, I can't sort it out, so I can't even sit at my kitchen table to say I've fallen off the stool or anything. Right, so nothing more for me to say except we have seen a slight increase in year 9 work, so I'm really, really pleased and really proud of you for that one. But we want to see an even bigger increase across all subjects. Certainly in English, I know as an English teacher we've seen a real increase, and certainly in Hegarty there's more logged on. But I want to see lots and lots of you doing some work. Okay, so nothing more to say other than take care, stay safe, behave yourselves, keep smiling, keep being kind to everybody, and I'll see you next week. All right, take care. Bye.